Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to easily install an electrical outlet with built-in USB ports. This will be a direct swap of your standard electrical outlet, and it'll give you two USB ports, whether they be the old style or the new C style. The process will be the same, and this will allow you to get rid of all your charging cubes so you can use your cables directly in, and it'll give you some extra outlet space. So first thing we need to do is confirm that the power is off. We're just going to grab our tester here and we plug it in. You can see the lights are on, so that means we need to power down at the breaker box. Alright, so we've powered down the switch on the breaker box. As you can see, there's no more lights on our tester. I like to just do a little extra, put it in the one on top. Nothing there, and that means there is no power to this outlet and it's safe to start working. So first thing we need to do is remove this wall plate with the center screw. Alright, next we need to remove these two screws so the outlet can be pulled from the wall. Alright, then we pull our outlet forward. Alright, so we're going to loosen the screws on the side here so that we can get our wires out. Same thing on the other side for the white wire and the ground wire. Alright, so for this particular model of outlet, if we flip it around, we have our hot wire goes on this side and our white wire goes on this side. So white wire is neutral, hot is the black wire, and our green down here is the bare copper ground wire. So now what we want to do is we're going to leave the loop on our ground wire, but these two wires, we're going to cut off the ends and strip some fresh wire. So just take off just a little bit there. Alright, so let's go ahead and strip the wire. Now we have fresh, straight wire. Alright, so again, we follow our directions. Neutral wire, white wire goes to white. Hot, black wire goes to the hot side. So we're going to take our white wire, put it in the white side. Make sure there's no bare copper coming out. And we're going to tighten our screw down. Just give it a pull, make sure it's nice and firm in there. Same thing for the hot wire or the black wire, goes in the side labeled hot. No bare copper, tighten it down. Nice and firm. Alright, so then we take our bare copper wire, we put it over our green wire. Make sure it's going around clockwise. So when you tighten it, it pulls it around. And we tuck everything in. Alright, next we're going to use the bigger of the two holes, this one here, and then this one here, and we're going to fasten those to the box. Alright, so next we get our decorative faceplate on, and these small screws will go into the holes on the very top and bottom. Alright, so just like that, we're good to go. Next, you turn your breaker switch back on, and we're going to test for power using our cube here. As you can see, bottom has power, top has power, and we're going to plug in this little lamp here with our USB port. And you can see it powers on just nicely. So now instead of two outlets, you have two regular outlets and two USB ports. So you can get rid of all your charging cubes and use the cables directly. So hopefully this was helpful. Don't mind the drywall, it's a poor drywalling job, everything's all crooked, but at least our outlet works properly. This is just the basement. Hopefully it gives you the idea of how to replace this. That's all it's meant to do. So thanks for watching, everybody. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.